We are going to start our look at our unit on division. Now, as I've seen, I think division and multi-digit multiplication, multi-digit division, multi-digit multiplication need to be visited and revisited. So I hope that these videos can serve as a reminder throughout 4th and 5th grade and beyond how to do multi-digit division. So let's get started. And hopefully this will make it easier on my arm writing. So when we have multi-digit division, let's start with a look at single digit. 8. Let's look at an easy one. 64 divided by 8. Okay, so that's not really working. So let's try something different that's hopefully going to make things a little bit easier. Alright, so let's start with 64 divided by 8. And the way we say this, we're going to put 64 under the box. We put 64 under the house. We say 64 divided by 8. So, 64 divided by 8 is 8. And here's how we know that. Because 8 times 8 is 64. So we're really thinking backwards here. And then we have a 0 left, so we have no remainder. So we're really thinking backwards. So I'm gonna show you a way that I think will help a lot. Because I know that thinking backwards isn't always the easiest thing to do. Let me see the best way to position this. Okay. So let's take a look at 25 divided by 5. So our 5s are relatively easy, but let's look at what we can do to remember that. So our divisor, what we're dividing by, is 5. So I'm going to list the multiplication facts of 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2, or 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. And 5 times 5 is 25. So here we go. We got what we're dividing by, which is 25. So we know 5 times 5 is 25. So our answer here would be 5. Because 5 times 5 is 25. And then that equals 0, so we have no remainder. Y'all, there's got to be an easier way to do this. Because this is just killing my arm. So once again, we're going to look at something easy. 7 49 divided by 7. So if it's easier for you, let's list the multiplication facts for 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 7 is 28. 5 times 7 is 35. 6 times 7 is 42. And 7 times 7 is 49. So here we have 49. And that's what we're dividing by. So our answer is 7. And the way that we show that, 7 times 7 is 49. And we're going to subtract 49 minus 49 is 0. So that means that we have no remainder. So that was your introduction into division. Hopefully the next time that we look at division, I can have this board situation handled so it's not killing my arm. So keep practicing your multiplication. This is an example of when it comes in handy. And I'll see you next time. Peace.